Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today, there's not going to be any makeup video or any other routine or nothing. I just wanted to talk because that's one thing we barely do these days. You can see I have nothing on, no makeup on. Because I wanted to get really candid when I talk about. You read the title of the video, right? I read somewhere a friend posted a status Facebook पे एक दो दिन पहले, and the status was, how are you able to sleep at night? And there were all sort of comments there उसके status के नीचे, and even though somebody had a funny comment there and I did whatever I reacted to that जैसे भी, but that question kind of stuck with me. How are you able to sleep at night? Especially now जब इतना uncertainty है, we don't know markets खुलेंगे, lockdown कितना बढ़ेगा, situation क्या होगी, हम कितना बाहर जा पाएंगे, और अगर जा भी पाएंगे तो what are the things that we should keep in mind when we're going out. And all the more we have to think about all of these things because we have a toddler. Our son turned 13 months old last week, and it's very difficult actually. मुझे नहीं समझ में आता honestly कि when I think about what his future is going to be like, thinking too much about what is education. अभी it's all such a blur. कुछ बात ही नहीं करते हम इस बारे में अब. पहले when I remember जब वो हुआ था, और maybe not even that long ago, 2-3 महीने पहले भी, my husband, my family, we used to think about a lot of things कि ये बड़ा होगा तो ऐसा होगा, ये ऐसा होगा. Now when I think about it, it just makes no sense. सबको लगता है कि how everybody is having a gala time, but that's not true. No one is having a gala time. और दूसरी चीज़ ये कि जैसे वो क्वेश्चन था ना कि how are you able to sleep at night, my answer is I don't sleep at night because I cannot. I keep thinking of all the things that will never happen. I keep overthinking about things that are not going to happen. Then what do? I try and keep myself busy. So I just wanted to have this conversation because everybody feels that everyone has their shit together, which is not true. Not everybody has their shit together. हर किसी की लाइफ में वो लोग आते हैं कि someday you just wake up and then you feel terrible बिना किसी बात के, और that's just how it is. और अभी unfortunately ये जो टाइम है ये हम सब की लाइफ में आया हुआ है. आज के समय पे आपकी जो भी अपनी पर्सनल प्रॉब्लम हो, that aside, and the situation the world is in right now, वो एक तरफ, और उस पे especially because I'm in Delhi and there are like so many earthquakes coming up every day. So I don't want to scare you guys, not at all. I have no psychic powers. I don't know what's there in the future, what does the future hold. I don't know. मुझे नहीं पता आगे क्या होने वाला है. But I can tell you this, that being a mother, I'm trying to keep myself engaged so I remain sane. I'm absolutely trying to keep myself engaged. Makeup, DIYs, कुछ भी जो भी मिल रहा है ना मुझे, I'm doing that. Because अगर मैं बैठ गई सोचने के लिए तो there are so many things that I can, I'll be drifted with and it's not going to help anyone. For instance, I'll tell you what did I do the other day. I woke up and I had this, I was busy बस अपना काम वाम करने में, घर साफ, खाना, रोज़ का काम. And then I was like, आराम से बस आके I was just sitting and about to have my cup of coffee. तभी सडनली आई फाउंड आउट कि अर्थक्वेक आया था. इन दैट मोमेंट, मतलब obviously since I was busy doing everything, you can imagine इतना कोई severe earthquake नहीं था, but it shook the core of me. I couldn't feel anything move except for myself. Within 5 minutes, what I was doing, and it's sad, I think about it and I feel sad. What I did was, मैंने अपने बेबी का बैग निकाला, उसमें उसके 2-4 जोड़ी कपड़े भरे, और वो दवाइयाँ जो यूजुअली खाता पीता है, एंड जस्ट इन केस लाइक बुखार के लिए, पेट दर्द के लिए, ऑल दोज थिंग्स, थोड़े से डायपर्स, थोड़े दिन का सामान, a few eatables जो वो खाता है, वो सब मैंने एक बैग में डाला. एंड आई हैव अ स्टैश, एक पिगी बैंक टाइप का, जिसमें वी सेव मनी फॉर सैमी. मतलब ऐसी छोटी मोटी चीज़ों के लिए, या जो भी हमारे घर में गेस्ट आते हैं और उसको कुछ दे के जाते हैं, सो वी पुट इट इन दैट पिगी बैंक, जिससे हम उसके साथ वो ना हो जो हमारे साथ हुआ. पर या इवेंचुअली हम ही यूज़ करते हैं वो पैसे को भी, बट देन या वी कीप इट इन अ पिगी बैंक. उसमें जितने भी पैसे थे हमने निकाल के बैग में डाले. हमने, इट वॉज जस्ट मी. एंड आई आस्क्ड अंकित कि हमारे घर में लाइटर है, या एक कोई स्पेयर नाइफ है, या कुछ वैसा है, बैंडेड्स एंड जस्ट अ फ्यू थिंग्स जो इमरजेंसी में चाहिए होती हैं. एंड ही वाज लाइक, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? आई टोल्ड माई हस्बैंड दैट, आई जस्ट सेड कि बस दे दो मेरे को, आई हैव टू पैक दिस. वी डोंट नो कि क्या होता है, क्या होगा, जस्ट इन केस कुछ हो गया ऐसा, इफ देयर इज एन इमरजेंसी, व्हाट विल वी डू. मतलब, एंड honestly, I'm the most careless person there is, and the only reason I cared was because I have a son. I have a tiny little son who depends on me and my husband for everything. Or there's one more thing, and that's what I did in that moment. उसके अलावा, why am I not able to sleep? Of course, because I have a son. Second is because I have this tendency of freezing the moment कुछ भी ऐसा हो रहा होता है. जैसे कि अभी for like a couple of days ago हमने AC चलाया बहुत दिन बाद, तो उसमें एक हल्का सा स्पार्क हुआ, और सैमी was standing right there, मतलब बिल्कुल वहीं खड़ा था वो, और पता नहीं कहाँ से जाके, like my son was standing right there, और कहाँ से जाके वो एक स्पार्क हुआ. I froze. I was just saying, अंकित उसको हटाओ वहाँ से. I kept calling my husband's name, उसको हटाओ, and I froze. तो why I lose my sleep at night? Because I know I freeze in situations like this. I can't move. मतलब मैं इतना in that moment quick thinking नहीं कर पाती. Instead I get scared. मतलब मैं scared होकर just ये करो, but I can't, like, it's my limbs have paralyzed. तो I guess I lost my sleep over it, thinking कि अगर ऐसा कुछ हो गया, and हमें बचना पड़ा. मतलब we'll have to run out of the house, और we'll have to save Sammy. तो मैं कैसे बचा पाऊँगी? क्योंकि I freeze. This is why I'm losing my sleep at night. I lose my sleep at night because we are in such an economic slowdown also. Thankfully, Ankit and I have a job for now. But मतलब अगर इतनी uncertainty रही, and I am told that 2008 का जो recession था, this recession is going to be this recession that is right now is going to be way worse than what that was. And if that happens, what are we even going to do? So that is what I lose my sleep over. Not, बहुत सारे reasons हैं कि आप शायद नहीं सो पा रहे हो रात में. I'm like watching random stuff. मतलब जिन चीज़ों में मुझे 0% interest है, I'm also watching those things. But so that is what it is. So the only thing that I'd like to say to you guys is, अभी के टाइम पे, especially now, हर कोई they're just trying to keep themselves busy. Do not take it in a way कि नहीं इनकी लाइफ में सब कुछ sorted है, ये तो busy हैं, ये तो खुशियाँ मना रहे हैं. Because nobody is doing that. I'm sure nobody is doing that. हर कोई परेशान है, हर कोई डरा हुआ है, किसी को नहीं पता क्या करना है. और दिस इज सच एन इनएविटेबल सिचुएशन कि किसी को नहीं पता. यू नो, आई डाउट अगर कोई बिल्कुल प्रिपेयर्ड होगा कि ओ विल डू दिस, विल डू दैट. तो इंस्टेड ऑफ यू नो शूटिंग पीपल डाउन, ब्रिंगिंग देम डाउन, मॉकिंग देम फॉर द थिंग्स दैट दे आर डूइंग, लिफ्ट देम अप. They really need it. Everyone needs it right now. Appreciate people. I see every day, like on my family group, there are people cooking, baking. रोज baking हो रही है, रोज केक बन रहा है, रोज pastries बन रही हैं. Appreciate that without giving your reasons. कि ओ हमने ये नहीं किया बिकॉज हमें टाइम नहीं मिला, ओ हमने ये नहीं किया बिकॉज हमारा बेबी छोटा है. डो नॉट, जस्ट अप्रिशिएट पीपल फुल हार्टेडली, क्योंकि there is a lot that is going on their minds as well, and they're just trying everything possible to keep themselves sane. And pretty much that's the reason why I see myself posting a lot more stuff, because I want to keep busy. My work keeps me busy, thankfully, but जिस समय मैं काम नहीं कर रही हूँ और मैं सो नहीं पा रही हूँ, क्या करूँ उस वक्त. So and I have a lot of friends who are doing so many things. They're cooking, a lot of them are doing DIY stuff, कुछ simple Netflix binge watch कर रहे हैं. That's fine. All of that is good. Nobody is better than the other one. I am not going to say कि जो cooking कर रहे हैं वो ज़्यादा skilled है या मैं ज़्यादा skilled हूँ compared to वो लोग जो कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं. Because I am nobody to judge that. I would just say, instead of making a mockery out of everyone, instead of just pulling people down of the choices they make, lift them up. The world needs more humanity right now than anything else. Nobody is able to sleep at night. Do not add to the reasons to take the sleep away, is all I'm going to say. We really need to be united at this time. हम अपने religious beliefs पे बहुत सारी चीज़ों पे divide हो सकते हैं, but we need to stay firm, we need to stay strong and support each other is all it is. It is not just about, you know, कि कौन, मतलब I can't emphasize on the fact enough कि हम कितनी जल्दी लोगों को जज कर लेते हैं. दैट यू नो ये तो इनकॉम्पिटेंट है, ये तो ये काम नहीं कर सकता और ये नहीं कर सकता. एवर सिंस आई बिकेम अ मदर आई रियलाइज्ड कि यू कांट जज एनीवन, यू रियली कैन नॉट. तो इट्स बेटर कि आप यू कीप योर वेज स्ट्रेट, अपनी चीज़ें आप अच्छे से मैनेज करो. ट्रीट पीपल एज ह्यूमन्स. दे आर नॉट गॉड्स, दे आर बाउंड टू मेक मिस्टेक्स. They're bound to do things that is going to, you know, not liked by all. सब चीज़ें सबको अच्छी नहीं लग सकती, लेकिन be there for them. Do not mock them. Please do not mock them. Support in any way you can. That is all. And if you feel that you have your reasons why you're not able to sleep at night, let me know. Let me know in the comments below. We are a community. I'll be happy to do my bit to make sure that you don't feel like that. Thanks guys. Have a great weekend.